first op I popped wasn't trying to pay. Till we locked eyes and he ran away. Long story short, as the police report, black man slain.
We have a 187.
I keep one in the head, I put one in his leg. Hit the ground, turned around for his life, he had begged. I don't really say much, only thing that I said, I'm a shooter.
I'm sorry, I'm a shooter.
I'm a shooter. I'm a shooter. Send hollows through ya. Said I'm a shooter.
Reload the clip.
My favorite pastime is counting the bread. You know I slept well, hide it under my bed. The worst call I got, a homie talking to the feds. What? So I slid on him, put 2 in his melon, and all I know now is that nigga ain't telling. I look all around, all my niggas is fellas, and I'm a shooter.
Facts.
I'm a shooter. I'm a shooter. Send hollows through ya, 'cause I'm a shooter. I'm sending my ops to the Lord that's above.
Jesus Christ.
Every shot I'ma send it with love. All of my niggas is goons, we sneak guns in the club. It's true as fuck. Shot him in his side and he fell to his side. He's bleeding out, looking up to the sky. Took my mask off and looked him deep in his eyes. I'm a shooter. I'm a shooter.
Knocking niggas down.
I'm a shooter.
Knocking everybody
Send
down.
hollows through ya.
It's a buy one, get one. You pay to get that nigga knocked down. I'm knocking any nigga you want down for
I'm
free.
a shooter.
Third clip.
Hallelujah. Send hollows through ya, 'cause I'm a shooter.
I don't give a fuck what you think, bitch. Your thoughts ain't my thoughts. Bitch, I'm flowing straight from the survival scroll. Cut that bitch off.